Hello dear friends, this is a third video lecture for Unit 2nd Electronic Spreadsheet. Topic: Analyze data using scenarios and goal seek. I hope you have seen first and second part of this topic. If you have not seen that videos, click the I button, otherwise continue this video. In this video lecture, I teach you goal seek and goal solver with examples. Let's start. First topic, using the goal seek. Tools: goal seek reverse the usual order for a formula. Usually you run a formula to get the result when certain arguments are entered. By contrast with goal seek, you work with a completed formula to see what values you need in an argument to get the result that you want. Let's solve the example. To calculate annual interest, I create a table with the value of the capital C, number of years n, and interest rate small I. The formula is capital I equals to C into n into I. Let's assume that the interest rate I of 7.5% and the number of year n1 will remain constant. However, you will know how much the investment capital C would have to be modified in order to attain a particular return capital I. For the example, calculate how much capital C would be required if you want an annual return of 15,000. Let's do the practical. Firstly, here capital 10,000 and number of year 1, interest rate 7.5% and find the interest. Type the formula here equals to capital B1 into number of year B2 into interest rate B3. B1, B2 and B3 are the reference of a capital C, number of year and interest rate respectively, and then press enter key. We got the result. Here I want an annual return of 15,000, and so find a capital C. Click the tools menu and then goal seek, and here 3 default setting. First one, formula cell, then select the formula cell B4, and then second one, type the target value here. Enter the desired result of the formula in the target value field. In this case, example, the value is 15,000, and then click here variable cell and click the variable cell that contains the value to be changed. In this example, it is the cell with the capital value C, and then click OK. And here a dialog box appears informing you that the goal seek was successful. Click yes to enter the result in the cell with the variable value. So, example is solved. Interest annual return 15,000 when capital is 2 lakh. Next one topic, using goal solver. tool solver amount to a more evaluate form of a goal seek. The difference is that the solver deals with equations with multiple unknown variables. It is specifically designed to minimize or maximize the result according to a set of rules that you define. Let's solve the example. Here, let's see you have 10,000 that you want to invest in two mutual funds for 1 year. Fund X is a low risk fund with 8% interest rate, and fund Y is a high risk fund with 12% interest rate. How much money should be invested in each fund to earn a total interest of $1,000? So let's the practical. Here, enter the label and data. Row label, fund X, fund Y and total, and column labels, interest earned, amount invested, interest rate and time period. Here, firstly enter the interest rate. Fund X 8% and fund Y 12%, and then enter the time period. Both are 1 year, and total amount invested $10,000 in cell C4. Enter an arbitrary value 0 in C2 as amount invested in fund X. Enter the formula in C3, C4 minus C2 equals to C4 minus C2. In cell B2 and B3, enter the formula for calculating the interest. In cell B2, enter the formula equals to C2 into D2 into E2. And in cell B3, enter the formula equals to C3 into D3 into E3. And then find the total equals to B2 plus B3 as the total interest earned. Then select the B4 cell and then click Tools and then click Solver. The Solver dialog box will be appear. Click the target cell field. Target cell field is B4 in this example, containing total interest value. Select the value of and enter 1000 in the field. Next to it, the target cell value is 1000 because your target is total interest earned of $1,000. Click in the by changing cell field and click on the cell C2 in the sheet. In this example, you need to find the amount invested in fund X. Select the C2 cell. Enter the condition for the variable by selecting the cell reference. Cell reference is C2 and operator less than equals to. In this example, the amount invested in fund X means cell C2 should not be greater than the total amount available and should not be less than 0, and then click solve. A dialog box appears informing you that the solving successfully finished. Click keep result to enter the result in the cell with the variable value. Click keep result to enter the result in the cell with the variable value. Means here the result is shown fund X, entrance earned Y 600 and total 1000. When you invest in fund X 4999 and in a fund Y 5000, then you got the annual entrance $1000. So dear friends, in this video lecture you learn goal seek and solver. In the next video we will discuss about linked data and spreadsheet. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching everyone. Bye bye.